Hey, how you guys doing? Welcome back. You haven't seen my channel before, please subscribe. Today we're at Rogers Rock. It's right on Lake George, and it is part of the Fabulous 40 challenge I'm working on. This will be my 16th hike out of the Fabulous 40, and I'm loving every minute of it. All right, so Rogers Rock is 3.5 miles long out and back, rated as moderate. And the trailhead can be tricky to find. It is at a campground. I had to pay $10 for a day pass, so just heads up, bring some money. It's at campsite 210, and they do rent it out, so if anybody's there, just go around the campsite and respect their privacy. But I can't wait to get this one done. I guess it's a pretty good view of Lake George up top. I'm loving this Fabulous 40 challenge. But that being said, let's do it, baby. Audi. All right, so we gotta find the campsite of 210. All right, let's go, baby. All right, so we're coming up to our next junction. Let's see what we got here, huh? All right, so we're right here. So we're gonna take a right. So we're going right. Let's go, baby. Alright, so it's gonna split again. So we're right here. So we're gonna go to our left. Alright, let's go. Alright, so we're coming up to the next split in the trail, or the road you wanna call it. So we're right here. So we're gonna wanna go left now. So go left. All right, let's go, baby. Now we gotta keep our eye out on for 210. All right, let's go. All right, so here's 210. So supposedly the trail starts right beyond 210, and it's right here. Nice. All right, so 210's right here. The trail starts right behind it, so you gotta walk through it. All right, let's go. Looks like we got an orange mark, no trail marker. Let's go, baby. All right, so we're coming up to the first split in the trail from campsite 210. And looks like over here it says private property to our left. And Rogers Rock, I think the arrow's pointing this way. But you're gonna wanna go to your right. So don't go left to your first split from campsite 210. You want to go right. All right, let's go, baby. All right, let's get over this log. Nice. Alright, so we're a little bit less than halfway there. I wanted to take a break and talk about the trail so far. On all trails I was reading, everybody was saying you can get confused on this one, and I agree. Let's first start off with finding the trailhead. It's at a campground and it's at campsite 210. So you got to find the trailhead first. Second of all, it's not really that good marked. I mean, you have these bright orange markers right here, or they have orange paint on trees. And that being said, you got to keep your eye out for these, because if you don't, you can very easily get lost. There's trails that jet off all over this mountain. So if you don't keep your eye out for these orange markers right here, very easily get lost. But that being said, probably about half a mile first in from campsite 210. It's easy, doesn't go up at all. But then after that, it's been pretty steep. So just a heads up with that. It's been moderate so far. So we're about halfway there. But that being said, I'm enjoying it. I can't wait to get to the top. Let's do it, baby. Oh, look at this, guys. You know what I gotta do? I gotta find a rock. See what we got here, huh? Here we go. Alright, we'll put it on this one. Let's see if we can do it. Nice. Alright, let's go, baby. say we do this. Nice. All right, let's go, baby. I think we made it. As you guys can see, we made the top, and it's absolutely beautiful up here. So this is Rogers Rock. It's up on Lake George, New York, as you can see. It's 3.5 miles long out and back. It's rated as moderate, and I will agree. You have some steep parts, but overall not too bad. You can get confused in the beginning of where the trailhead starts, but if you watch this video, you should have no problem. This is part of the Fabulous 40 challenge I'm working on. This is my 16th hike out of the Fabulous 40, and it's a real good one, guys. I really like this one. But that being said, Roger Rock is done. I can't wait for the next one. I hope everybody's doing awesome. I'll catch you later. Outie, baby.